Sharing large files over the internet is now a common necessity. Whether you're sending a high-resolution video, a detailed project report, or a collection of photos, transferring large files quickly and efficiently can be crucial. Hey everyone, I'm Don from Wondershare UniConverter. In this video, I'll show you several methods to share large files over the internet. I'll also introduce a very useful tool which will make your file transfer process much easier. Most people use some cloud-based file sharing service to share large files over the internet. This can include WeTransfer. WeTransfer is a simple and user-friendly service, and this service allows you to send files up to 2 GB for free, and for larger files their paid plan supports up to 20 GB. Then there is Dropbox. It's also a popular platform among some people, and it provides 2 GB of free storage. It's well known for its ease of use and integration with other tools. Microsoft's OneDrive offers 5 GB for free, and of course you can get additional space through paid plans. It's integrated with Microsoft Office Suite, making it convenient for business users. I personally prefer Google Drive because it offers 15 GB for free with a Google account, which is enough for most of the cases. It's also very ideal for sharing large files and collaborating with others. You can upload your file to Google Drive, then you can share it by providing access via a link or directly sharing it with specific email addresses. That's it. I also like using MyAirBridge. It allows you for transferring files up to 20 GB for free and with higher limits available through paid plans. And then Mega is also popular as it provides 20 GB of free storage. But still, sharing large files can be challenging due to several factors like file size limitations, as many internet web services or platforms have file size limits, which make it difficult to send large files directly, even with the aforementioned ones. Another thing is that even if the service can handle large files, maybe your internet connection can't. Slow internet connections can significantly affect upload and download times, leading to delays and frustration. To address the challenges of sharing large video files, the UniConverter offers a robust video compression system. This tool allows you to compress large video files without significant loss of quality, making it easier and faster to share them over the internet. Let me show you how to do that. So first of all, grab the UniConverter from videoconverter.wondershare.com and then open it up. From the main interface, select the compression feature. Now click on the plus icon to add files, or just drag and drop them into this window. It supports batch processing to make things faster. If you're working with multiple files, you can select a universal compression ratio down here, or you can click on the settings icon next to each file and move this toggle up and down to select your desired file size. Though keeping it within this green area will ensure the best quality compression ratio. Then you can select an output format. For more control, use the advanced settings to adjust the bitrate, video and audio encoder, resolution or other parameters. But unless you purposefully want to mess with these settings, you can just leave everything as smart fit. Now choose an output folder when you want to save your compressed files, and then click on Start All. You can check the compressed videos under the Finished tab. Very easy, right? So if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.